Oh, my glorious families, you all need to go get this ASAP. This is too cute to be true. Okay, so I got the Fireplace, the viral Fireplace TV stand, and this is just too perfect for my living room. It has beautified everywhere. We did a setup. My son, my children actually, they helped me out, but my son did most of the job, and I was able to help a little bit. But this is it requires at least you have to set out at least an hour to do this. You may be needing help and you may not. If you are able to study the manual, and that's it, just the everything in the box has been numbered. So all you need to do is just to start connecting and screwing them together, and then after that you start matching each part together to form a whole part of it. So that's why I said you have to set out an hour, at least an hour. If you are the only one setting this up, you might not take up to that, and you might take more than that, but I'll just say set out an hour for this. So each of everything, like I said, the manual is very, very self-explanatory. So you just have to check the numbers on the plank and on the wood, and then make sure all is matching. And then after that, you assemble them together, you connect them together. Now we have some challenging parts of it. When we were trying to connect the cable at the end of the video, that was a bit challenging. But there's another thing. When we put the thing together on the floor, it got a little scratch, which you're going to see at the end of it. There was a little scratch on top of the TV stand, and so the part is more like glassy. It's kind of glassy, so be very, very careful so you don't scratch them. So right now I have about 3-4 scratches, like white, the black turned white. I thought it was a stain, but the more I try to scratch it off, the more it expands. So which means we had scratched it by mistake. So that's that. Then another thing is when you are about to connect the cable at the end of it, which I showed in the video. If you stay to the end of this video, you're gonna see. So we didn't get that part earlier. Then later we later understood what they wanted us to do, and then we connected the cable. So I'm going to advise that if you are doing this, just take your time to study the manual, follow the guidelines, the step by step that has been put in there. And then there are extra screws that we got. Then another advice I'm going to give is that the parts, everything like the screws, the nuts, the bolts, whenever you are bringing them out, get a bowl and pour them inside. We had a little delay in fixing this. So this took us, I don't even know, maybe how many, this took us about
7.
No, not 7, Abba now. Okay, this took us about let's say 4 hours. Yeah, because my kiddos were not serious. They were going. Yeah, you guys were not serious. They were not staying there. They were going back and forth. They were not stick to it for a long time. So, but normally this should take an hour. If an adult should do this, it takes an hour. So, but this took us like 3-4 hours. Yeah, because we started it long, so it took us 3-4 hours. Yeah. So this is super cute. This is the so they okay. Let me the parts I don't want to forget. They actually delivered twice. So they splitted the delivery because it was too heavy. So like from the beginning, you will see the box, the two boxes. So the longest one is the fireplace, is the TV stand itself. Then this fireplace was also delivered separately. But good thing is that they both came the same day, just at different times. What else am I trying to say? Um, you can choose any color you want. I went for black and white because I just do not want that drawer part to show that there is a drawer there. That was why I went for black and white. There's something else. Then because of the, of course, the colors I'm using in my living room, I'm using combination of yellow. I just want it to be kind of colorful. I'm just trying to go out of the color I used to be with, so that I will have at least have my home. I want to feel at home, so it's good to change the colors of your home once in a while, maybe like yearly. If you use certain color this year, then next year crossing into a new year, switch to another color. That is if you're tired of that color, or probably getting tired of your own home, switch into another color and just beautify it, change things, move things, trash things, or give out things, and then restock the house and make things different again. One more thing. Did you know that immediately you switch on this heater, oh my goodness, your house begins to heat up immediately. Right now we are in the living room and my son is just laying right close to the place, to the fireplace, because the guy is catching some some warmness over there. So anyway, this is cute, and I want to ask, are you buying this? Honestly, if you're not buying this, you're missing out, because the changing colors, if you study this video, you will see where we were doing the wiring. Everything is just they've pre-assembled them, they were ready for us. Actually, they were ready for us. It's self-explanatory. You don't have to say, oh, I have never done that before, I may never get it. No, that's not true. A young boy, my son, did this, helped me to set this up. He started together with his sister, and then later the sister got tired and went to bed, and then I stepped in. Then we finished it. He did a lot of the job. But seriously, I would say take your time to set this up. So these are the crystals that come with it. They are super cute. So we just arrange them into the fireplace, and then I guess the rest of the designs are right in there. So what else would you want to hear about these products? I would like you to ask me in the comment section. But seriously, this is the best details I can give, unless I'm forgetting something. So what am I putting in these drawers? On the right hand side, I have arranged all of my Bibles, my children Bibles. And then the other side, we arrange all our albums, photo albums, and hymn book, and any other reasonable books that we have to read. Most It's so kind of painful that I didn't remember to do a before, so that you can see the aftermath. See, this is so cute. Honestly, this is so cute. In fact, I will tell you, this is cuter than what you see in pictures. Honestly speaking, I wish I can just get it out just the way it looks. And I will advise you get one for yourself. Try and change that place, because winter is knocking at our door, and we have to be fully prepared. Like I am so prepared right now. Oh my man, this thing is so warm. Like, it keeps everywhere warm. It's working perfectly fine. It's so super fast. My fear you are able is that to order yours on time before it is out of stock. This is super duper sweet and cute. I want you to trust this, unless you're not buying exactly the products. But this is cute. Go check all of the reviews. That was the first thing I wanted to see. Does it get hot? I love you all, and I say bye for now.